How to fix PS5 controller orange light issue. So why is your PS5 controller blinking orange? While the orange light on your PS5 controller usually indicates the battery status, in some cases it could also signal an underlying issue that prevents the controller from connecting with the console functioning normally. Typically, an orange light on your PS5 DualSense controller means one of the three things. If you're in the middle of a game and the light bar suddenly turns orange, the controller is running low on battery. When you plug in your DualSense controller, the solid orange light pulsates until the device is fully charged. You should also see a pulsating orange light when the console is preparing to enter rest mode. These are the three most common reasons behind the PS5 controller's light bar blinking orange. However, at any other time, flashing orange lights are a sign of a problem, including but not limited to a faulty charging cable, port, or an issue with the inbuilt battery. Since it's difficult to determine the cause, you might have to try a couple of workarounds before finding a solution that works.